What's up, guys? This is our newest project. We didn't buy this. We're fixing it up and selling it for a friend. It's a 1996 nostalgia classic Heritage Softail. These are pretty rare bikes. I think they only made them in this color combination 1 year. I think it's got about 20,000 miles on it total. My buddy's owned it for 20 years. He hasn't rode the bike in at least 5 years. The tag on it's from 2018, but I don't think it actually ran that year. So it's been sitting a long time. Obviously, you can see the dust and everything. It's been just sitting in his garage. It has a lot of oxidation issues. The front forks, all the chrome's kind of pitted and stuff, especially on this side. But I guess first goal is we'll go ahead and get some air in the tires because they're flat, and pressure wash to get the dust off of it, and we'll get it in the shop and get all the old gas out of it, put a new battery in it, and see if we can get this thing to start and drive. And then we'll start tackling, polishing all the stuff, getting the forks off of it, and getting them polished also. And it will be for sale at the end of the video, like always, too. So let's go ahead and get started. Got the dust knocked off of this. We're going to go ahead and get it inside, and we'll take the carb off and drain all the fuel that's in it, and go ahead and get a battery coming for it, and see if we can get the fire up, and then at the end we'll get it all cleaned up. So we got our 96 Heritage Softail in here on the lift. I'm going to go ahead and start by pulling off the carb because I'm sure it has to be cleaned up, and while we're in there, just because I don't want to have to do it again once we get it going, I'm going to go ahead and put intake seals on the manifold to head in there. And put new fuel lines on it and stuff too, or anything else we see while we're in there. But we'll go ahead and get started on it. Oh, and off camera, I went over some of this chrome with vinegar and fine steel wool, and it came out way, like, a million times better. I'm gonna have to go over it again, but it looks good. I'll spray some WD-40 in there. This is definitely the original fuel line. It's like coming apart in my hands right now. Trying to get these throttle cables out. Here's one of them. There's the other one. What else we got left? Got this little vacuum hose. Bingo. Gonna get my choke cable through here. There we go. All right. We'll go ahead and pull it apart and get back with you on it and show you the inside of what it looks like right now. This thing hadn't been off in a long time. Nah, it's not that bad. I think we can just clean it out, pull the jets out of it, spray them out. Stuff is stinky. So, off camera, we went ahead and finished rebuilding our carburetor. I had to wait for a rebuild kit for it, and once we got in there, it looked like the intake seals had never been messed with before, so I went ahead and changed those out, and they were definitely original. They were super hard, so did that, got it all put together, put a new battery in it, thinking this thing had like 20,000 miles on it. It actually has 13,000 miles on it, so pretty cool. But we're about to try to fire it up. I had hosed down the cylinders with some oil to like lubricate it, just because I hadn't spun over in so long, so it's probably going to smoke a little bit. And also, I know these are bad about sumping oil when they sit for a long time, so I have a little drain pan underneath there, because I assume it's probably going to spit out a bunch of oil out of there. We'll see. But I guess we're going to go ahead and try to start it up for the first time in at least 6 years. And the battery that came out of it was from 2014, so definitely old. Whoa, Jack. I'm gonna say that ground's not good anymore. Let's clean that up first. That was exciting. Wow. Just looks a little rusty and crusty. I'll pull it off and sand it real quick, see if that makes it any better. Alright, no more sparks this time. Just start. didn't think it was going to start. It has to have vacuum to open up the petcock, so I thought it was going to take it a while pumping it anyway. I didn't think it'd start. Still cold, but well, we'll put some more good gas in it and put the seat on it and stuff and go take it for a spin. Alright y'all, well thanks for sticking with us getting this old Evo bike running that's been sitting for a long time. Pretty cool just to get something going that's just been sitting in the garage for no reason. But we have another really big project coming up next week, so please stick around and check us out for that one. We'll see y'all next time.